What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to make a real quick video, the review, about a 1 year review of my floating deck here that I have posted on YouTube as the no digging deck. And yes, I had to dig in some 4x4s, trench them into the ground, but I didn't dig any post holes, and that's what I meant by no digging. If anybody's actually ever built a deck where you had to dig post holes, especially in these northern climates where you got to go, you know, 10,000 feet deep to get below the frost line, that's what I meant. So we're just going to do a quick once over, see how well it's held up, see how well it cleans up. We get all this stuff moved out of here and clean it up, take a look at it. Let's go. I'm just kidding. All right, got everything kind of blown off of here. I'm not moving this thing. This thing is heavy and I'm not doing that by myself. So let me bring you over here. You can see where that chest was. There's definitely some, you know, fading, I guess, but I'm going to grab the hose and we'll spray this down and we'll see how good the water seal is that I put on. See how that turns out. The water still beads pretty well. All I did was put a gallon of Thompson water seal on here with a roller. Just a paint roller in a pan, you know, a paint tray. It wasn't tinted or anything, it was just a Thompson's water seal, clear. So that's still holding up pretty well. I would say if it wasn't, I would maybe power wash this and do it again, but it's holding up for now. We'll see at the end of the year, you know, the end of the summer, see what it looks like. The one thing, if you watch the video where I installed this, I drew all of these tight, and you can see that there's a good 1/4 inch. That's probably 3/8. Pretty large gaps here, and I sealed this probably within 2 to 3 weeks of installing it. So it hadn't really dried out that much, but it dried out quick. So the framing with the 4x4s has held up really well. It hasn't sank. It's very sturdy still. No bounce to it at all. So I've got absolutely zero complaints on this. It served me well. If you had to pay to have a deck like this put in or something, let's see, it's May 2021. If you're doing it right now, you're gonna pay an astronomical amount just for lumber, so you could probably get away with just doing a concrete patio. So that's my review of it. I'm not complaining. Dog's not complaining. What are you doing over there? You want to be in the video? Say hi? No? So I haven't done much to it besides the Thompsons. You can see I put my cheap LED lights here. Looks pretty nice at night. I'll try to show you that, although GoPro never really picks up dim light really well. So that's my 1 year review of my DIY floating deck. If you want to throw something like this in your backyard, go for it. I don't know if it passes code or not, and it kind of depends on what code is where you're at. But it, like I said, it suited me well. And I've got some other plans for doing like some bar top and stuff around here. If I do that, I'll make a video also. So go check out the video where I built this, and if you like it, hit subscribe, ring the bell so you know every time I put a video up. Got lots of other videos of building, framing, doing stuff around the homestead, fixing some of these crappy cars I own. The more subscribers I get, the more it really makes me feel good. So do it for me. Thank you. Come here.